Today, businesses and their employees require 24/7 secure access to devices, applications, and data, regardless of their location. The demands for technology keep skyrocketing, forcing traditional IT departments to keep up. In the past, computer rooms were full of data storage and firewalls. Local support teams needed to constantly upgrade and rebuild infrastructure. Today, businesses no longer need to manage a costly computer facility on site. Now, most of the new business applications can be deployed in the cloud. Cloud computing is a revolution in how technology is delivered to the business. Cloud allows even small organizations to leverage large-scale, fault-tolerant infrastructure at an affordable cost. The power of the cloud is buying what you need when you need it. Terralogic specializes in providing businesses more secure, quality cloud computing, improved reliability, more scalable infrastructure, and ultimately, more affordable technology than traditional on-site IT. Enhance your IT and make the best of your business. Talk to Terralogic and take your business to the cloud. Call toll-free 1-855-332-6432. Send us email us.sales@terralogic.com.